Anyways, oh yeah, Haru asked you a question, Pepper. What flavor of pepper is pepper?
Sometimes I'm a sweet pepper, sometimes I'm a spicy pepper.
Ah,
I'm a
understandable.
pepper.
Oh no.
Besides that, I can't specify any further.
Uh-oh.
Spider pepper.
My stream's
Danger
dying.
pepper.
Uh-oh.
It was, but I think it's back now.
Gal. Distressed gal. Don't tell me my...
As long as I'm not a bell pepper.
Gal. Why is my stream suddenly dying? Of all times. That's the curse. That's the curse. Hey! That's just usually how the curse goes, and when we talk about viewer count, stream suddenly dies. It's like, no, you're not supposed to talk about those numbers. Oh. Distressed gal.
No.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. Internet being very, very bad, RN.